Michael.
Back over here?
What?
Are they coming back over here?
They weren't sure.
Over there.
Tyler for sure was waiting.
Come here. Tyler, what?
Tyler said he was waiting.
I was just thinking, who's gonna see this? And that whole group of guys. They'll be like, get him! Did you see when you see the pose I did?
Oh, that was bad. What you got?
I went up next to Brock. I said, get this picture.
God.
Boy, that would probably not go over well out here.
Probably not a good idea this day.
Yeah, exactly. Next thing I'd be down getting questions after that one. So you're here from North Carolina? Doing what? Did you go through DC on your way up?
If you let them take your picture, they give you a printout of it on a necklace.
Oh, yeah?
You get a necklace
Yeah,
made
right
of
there.
CJ.